Hi everyone, Lori Whitlock here. I'd like to thank Scrapbook.com for inviting me to do a guest post on their YouTube channel in celebration of World Card Making Day. Today we're going to be making an adorable Halloween card featuring my new I Love Halloween collection that I designed for Echo Park Paper Company. So it's a darling little card. I've designed this card base and the file, I'll put a link down in the description so that you can download it for free on October 3rd, World Card Making Day. We're going to walk through how to make the whole card, but what I've done that's really cool is the card base works perfectly with one of the stickers from the collection kit. So if you'll flip the collection kit over, you'll see the sticker sheet. Right down here in the corner, there's this darling little haunted house. We're going to use that to put right on our card, so it makes it super fast and super simple. But before we start that, I wanted to just walk you through this collection really quick. It's an adorable Halloween collection that's got a great color palette, super whimsical and fun. I love the little characters in this collection. There's an adorable stamp set that features all of the cute little characters. I don't know if you'll be able to see them here, but make sure you click on the link down in the bio that will take you straight to these products over on the Scrapbook.com website. There's a 6x6 paper pad. There's the collection kit that we talked about earlier. There's also a coordinating solids cardstock set and two cute sticker or stamp sets. One has an adorable haunted house in it and lots of cute phrases. This one features some of the little trick-or-treaters, which I think are darling. There's a witch and a Dracula, a ghost, a mummy, a Frankenstein, and even Frankenstein's bride. I think they are so cute. There's two ephemera packs, one that has tags and frames and a regular ephemera pack, and three darling dies. These are the metal dies, so that if you're using the hand cutting die system, you can pick those up to coordinate as well. Let's get started making our cute little card. I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised with how quick and easy this adorable card is. To make this card, you're going to need the sticker from the sticker sheet. You'll also need either a pattern from the collection kit, or you'll need a 6x6 paper pad. That's what I used actually for the little buffalo plaid on that card. Also, if you don't want to do the little print and cut sentiment, there's a stamp that you can use that I'm going to show. It's the Happy Halloween one from the, it's the stamp set that has the haunted house in it. There's lots of cute stamps though that you could use for the sentiment, so any of those would work. You could also use some pieces from the ephemera set. So if you're picking up product, you might want to grab the collection kit, maybe some stamps, the 6x6, the ephemera packs. They all mix and match beautifully for card making. So let's get started. I've got all the pieces cut out here in front of me, and for the buffalo plaid, I've used the 6x6 paper pad from I Love Halloween. So I've used the scaled down pattern just a little bit, which I love for card making. It's just the perfect size. So you can either hand cut that, or you can use the SVG file that I provided and use a digital cutting machine. So this is such a simple card to put together. The other thing we're going to need is a sticker from the sticker sheet from the 12x12 paper pack. So of course you could use the 12x12 paper to cut out this pattern as well. That would work just fine, and you'll also get this cute sticker. I have sized this little castle piece in the center of our card to work perfectly with the sticker from the sticker sheet, so it's super fun. So I'm going to go ahead and let's pull that sticker off right now. And we'll be very careful with those little spires there so we don't have anything tear. Okay, and then we'll just go ahead and place that right on the card. And like I said, that should match up perfectly. So you'll just want to be very careful to line that up. And so simple and easy, isn't that great? So now let's take our card and we're just going to flip those backwards and forwards, and we'll end with our card looking like that right there. So now we just need to put down our two covering panels here on the sides, and I'm going to use the Tombow liquid adhesive. You could use different kinds of adhesive as well. This one works really well though for smaller pieces, which is nice. You could also use a tape runner though, especially for these covering panels. I like this Tombow because it's got a fine tip on it. Okay, look how cute this is getting. Of course you could mix up the patterns and, whoops, that's a little too much glue there. Anyways, you could mix up the patterns and change it up a little bit for however you want your card to look. But look how fun that's getting. I love it. So now we just need to add our little labels. And the thing about the Impossible card is these little labels kind of help cross these bridges here so that it kind of looks like the card is solid, and it really does seem impossible how the centerpiece is standing up. So I like to just stick this down on one side. Just put a little adhesive on one end, and we'll glue that to the small side here. And we're going to do the same thing on the front of the card. The reason why I only attach it on one side is so that I can lay it flat to mail it. You could attach it on both sides if you want. Now we have some options here with our little label on the front. I have included a little print and cut sentiment in the file, so you have that if you want. If you don't have a cutting machine and you're hand cutting this, what you could do is go ahead and grab the little label shape and hand cut that. And then in the stamp sets, there's some really cute stamps you could use that coordinate with this. I have pulled out this Happy Halloween one right here, but you could use some of these other ones. I'm Bats About You, all wrapped up in Halloween, Boo to You. But this one works perfectly with this shape. You could certainly use other shapes. There's other options as well. You could grab the ephemera packs, and wouldn't this be cute? Too cute to spook. All you need to do is just glue that down. Nothing else required. There's another ephemera pack here. Lots of cute little pieces that you could use for a little bridge right there. But in this case, so you've got 3 different options there. And let's go ahead and just stamp this one while we've got the stamp ready to go. Let's go ahead and ink that up. That looks good. And we'll just go ahead and stamp that on our little label shape. Super fun. I love that. So then you can use your little black bracket shape, label shape to go underneath that. So you can see how there's a lot of fun options. You can do it with stamps, you can do it with your printer, or you can do it with an ephemera pack. So for this one, I'm just going to go ahead and glue on the one that came in the file. Got just a little excess glue there. That's all right. It'll dry clear, so that's the good thing about this kind of glue. We'll just put a little adhesive on that one side, center it in that space, and ta-da! We are done. Look how darling this cute card is. Super simple. I love how you can just use that sticker for the main attraction on this card. Makes it super simple and quick. And I hope you enjoy making these for this Halloween. There's lots of variations you could do with this card, but I hope you enjoy making these, and I will see you next time. Thank you for joining me today on the Scrapbook.com YouTube channel. I hope you've enjoyed making this adorable little haunted house card. I think people will love getting that for Halloween. And I hope you enjoy my new I Love Halloween paper collection and all of the fun embellishments that go right along with it. I hope you have a great day. And if you've enjoyed this tutorial, please come on over to the Lori Whitlock YouTube channel. And I've got lots more card making tutorials over there that you can follow along with. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.